Alright, hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of BlueJay Gamer's Scratch tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the data tab, I guess the orange colored blocks here. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a variable. A variable is a manipulatable, I guess, score of sorts. It's something you can use to control other sprites. So you can change it, like if I'm going to call this score, right? And we're going to leave score up here in the top left, and we can turn that off and on with that. Let's say when flag is clicked, if space key is pressed, data, change score by 1. Alright, so the idea is that, actually we need a forever loop here. The idea is that we click the flag, and every time we press space, set score to 0. Every time we press space, it's going to put score up by 1. It's a little slow, so that's the idea behind that. And alright, moving on. That's just the change score. The set score is the same idea, except you set it to 0, right? Throw that in there. Press it, goes to 1. Wait half a second, goes back down to 0. The show and hide variable, that's easy enough. That just basically checks and unchecks your variable from up here for you. You can even just throw that into here now. Just to give you a good idea of what it's like, just do that, that. Yeah, so that's what that will do. Lists, actually, no, I'm gonna get, before I get into lists, because I don't really know them that well, I'm gonna get into a good area where variables can be used. Yeah, I'll be right back actually. Alright, so what I've got set up here is a little something that'll help you show what the variables are doing. Okay, so what my code here is saying is that when I press the right arrow, my sprite is going to glide to the right until it touches this circle here. And when it touches sprite 3, which is this circle, as you can see from down here, it'll wait 1 second and set score, the same variable from before, to 1. And when that happens, the pink sprite, or the pink scratch cat here, will glide from a position around over here to here. This green block here is part of operators. I'll go further into those next episode, but in the meantime, all you need to know is that it's 2 numbers or variables, or in anything of the kind, 2 set values, and if both sides, like here, it'll be if both sides are equal to the same. So like on its own, it's saying that this is equal to this. But now, if it actually is equal to this, it's going to go through this right here. Score is at 0. Alright, good. And let's go. Oh, that was really fast. Glide 5 seconds. What? I should go to here. Oh, right. There we go. And then if you go over to this one, it's waiting at 3 seconds and gliding 5 seconds over to here. It was just waiting for me to press the right arrow. But that's the idea, is now that this is set to 1, now this pink scratch cat recognizes that and moves. It's like, this is the method that I used as a workaround to broadcasting before I knew what that was. So yeah, there's that.